Let's get something straight right away. If you're still using your TV's built-in speakers, you're not hearing movies the way they're meant to be heard. Dialogue feels thin. Explosions have no weight. Music sounds like it's trapped inside a box. And once you notice it, you can't unnotice it. The good news? You don't need a massive receiver, towers, or thousands of dollars anymore. Today, I'm counting down the top 7 best budget wireless home theater soundbars, ranked from number 7 all the way to the best overall system you can buy for the money. These aren't just louder TV speakers. Every system here gives you real surround sound, real separation, and a real upgrade you'll feel the moment you press play. Let's start with number 7. Number 7. Hisense H S5100. The Hisense H S5100 is all about simplicity, and that's exactly why some people love it. This is a true 5.1 channel system with a soundbar, wireless subwoofer, and rear speakers, and it focuses on getting the basics right without layering on apps, updates, or complicated menus. Dialogue is clean and forward, which immediately makes TV shows and movies easier to follow. Even at lower volumes, voices stay clear instead of getting swallowed by background noise. Surround sound is handled honestly here. Effects move behind you when they're supposed to, and the soundstage feels wider than the TV itself. It doesn't fake height effects, and it doesn't pretend to be Atmos, which actually works in its favor. What you hear feels natural and predictable. The bass is controlled, not aggressive. You'll hear impact, but you won't feel your couch shake. That makes this system especially friendly for apartments or late-night viewing. The trade-off is excitement action scenes won't hit as hard as higher-ranked systems. The rear speakers also connect to the subwoofer with wires, which limits placement flexibility. But setup is fast, and once it's running, it just works. This is the soundbar for someone who wants clean dialogue, real surround, and zero learning curve, even if it doesn't blow the doors off the room. Number 6. Ultimea Poseidon D70. Stepping up to the Poseidon D70 is where things start feeling bigger. This is a 7.1 channel virtual surround system. And the first thing you notice is how much sound it throws around the room. Dialogue stays anchored in the center, while effects spread out to the sides and rear in a way that feels intentional instead of smeared together. The bass is strong sometimes, surprisingly strong. Action movies feel more physical, and games benefit from the extra punch. You'll probably want to dial it back a bit for everyday TV, but having that headroom is a good thing. Where the D70 really stands out is control. The Ultimea app gives you a ridiculous amount of tuning options for the price. You can adjust surround intensity, EQ curves, and overall balance until it fits your room perfectly. The limitation is that it doesn't support Dolby Atmos. Everything is virtual, and while the surround field is wide, you don't get height effects. Also, if you push the volume hard without tuning, bass can overpower dialogue. Still, once it's dialed in, the D70 delivers a huge, immersive soundstage that feels far more expensive than it is, and that earns it the number 6 spot. Number 5. Vizio 5.1 Soundbar SE. This soundbar does something incredibly important. It makes voices sound right. The Vizio 5.1 Soundbar SE has one of the strongest center channels in this entire list. Dialogue comes through crisp, focused, and locked to the screen. If you're tired of riding the volume button during movies, this system instantly fixes that problem. Surround speakers work together smoothly with the bar, creating a believable wraparound effect. The subwoofer adds punch, especially in action scenes, though it focuses more on impact than deep rumble. This system also supports modern audio formats like Dolby Atmos and DTS, even though it doesn't use up-firing speakers. The result isn't towering height, but you still get a wider, more cinematic presentation than basic surround systems. Where things get divisive is control. There's no included remote, so setup and tuning rely heavily on the Vizio app. Some people love the visual EQ and adjustments. Others just want buttons. It also lacks HDMI inputs beyond EARC, which limits connectivity options. If you care most about dialogue clarity and balanced sound, and you don't mind using an app, this system punches well above its price, which is why it lands at number 5. Number 4. LG S40TR. The LG S40TR is comfort food for your living room. This system doesn't chase specs. It focuses on delivering clean, reliable surround sound with minimal effort. Setup is fast. The wireless rear speakers immediately add depth, and LG's tuning makes voices easy to understand across movies, shows, and sports. Bass is present, but controlled. You won't rattle walls, but you'll feel enough low-end weight to make movies more engaging. And if you own an LG TV, the integration is seamless. One remote, shared audio processing, no friction. The downside is that there's no Dolby Atmos, and advanced users might want more tweakability. This isn't built for obsessing over EQ curves or room correction, but for everyday viewing, the S40TR delivers consistent, dependable surround sound without drama, and that reliability earns it the number 4 position. Number 3. Ultimea Nova S80. This is where things start feeling cinematic. The Nova S80 includes real upfiring speakers, and the height effect is immediately noticeable. Rain feels like it's above you. Helicopters don't just pan left and right, they move upward. The room gains depth instead of just width. Dialogue stays clean even during chaotic scenes, and the surround speakers blend smoothly with the soundbar instead of calling attention to themselves. The wireless subwoofer is tight and controlled, though not earth-shaking. Where the Nova S80 really shines is Atmos content. Movies and shows mixed properly take advantage of the height channels, creating a dome-like sound field that feels immersive without being exaggerated. The main limitation is bass depth. If you want room-shaking lows, you may want more. And EQ customization is more limited compared to Ultimea's higher models. But for real Dolby Atmos at a budget price, the Nova S80 is one of the strongest options available, which places it firmly at number 3. Number 2. Rainieri 5.1. This system is unapologetically bold. The Rainieri 5.1 delivers big, loud, room-filling sound the moment it powers on. The subwoofer moves serious air, and action scenes hit with authority. Explosions feel explosive. Music feels energetic. This system wants to be felt. The surround speakers add clear separation behind you, making movies more immersive right away. Dialogue stays audible, though the system clearly prioritizes impact over subtlety. Where it shows its budget roots is refinement. The rear speakers don't match the front in clarity, and wireless pairing can be a little temperamental during setup. Once connected, it's stable, but patience helps. If you value power, volume, and excitement above finesse, this system delivers massive sound for the price, which is why it climbs all the way to number 2. Number 1. Ultimea Poseidon D80. This is the moment everything comes together. The Poseidon D80 delivers a full 7.1 surround system with Dolby Atmos, and it doesn't feel like a compromise. Sound moves around you smoothly. Front, sides, rear, everything works together. Atmos effects float naturally instead of feeling forced or artificial. The wireless subwoofer hits deep but stays controlled. The 4 surround speakers add real spatial detail, and the soundstage feels complete instead of pieced together. The Ultimea app gives you deep control over EQ, balance, and surround intensity. You can tune this system to your room until it sounds exactly the way you want. Yes, the app can be finicky at times, and setup takes a little patience. But once it's dialed in, the D80 delivers the most complete home theater experience for the money. It doesn't just win for the price, it wins, period. That's why the Ultimea Poseidon D80 is the clear number 1. Final thought. Every soundbar on this list has a purpose. Some focus on simplicity. Some chase raw power. One delivers the full cinematic package. Now tell me which one fits your setup. And if you want a follow-up video breaking down Atmos versus non-Atmos, room size matching, or best picks for apartments, you know what to do.